What's up, guys? I have a, I guess you can call it an unboxing, or really just an unpackaging. I just got an Illest Carabiner in the mail from Fatlace, as you can see right there, from Fatlace in California. And then I also got a little keychain from Karmaloop, which I'll show you in a second. But I already cut the top open, so just make this easier. I guess they sent me an invoice here. Yeah, just a little invoice there. Here's the actual carabiner. This was on the website for a little bit. They actually sold out pretty quick. I was lucky. I bought this the last day right before it sold out. As you can see, it says Illest there. Oh, sick. Came with the Illest sticker. And I think it also came with Fatlace sticker. See if I can open this with one hand. Alright, now I'm gonna have to put the phone down. Hold on, guys. There we go. Alright. So the extras it came with. Oh, this is actually just, it's not a sticker, it's a little business card. Fatlace, Illest. And then here's a little sticker here. Nice that they included that in the script writing. Matches the carabiner. Here's the carabiner. It's actually a little bit bigger than I thought it was going to be, which is good. So it's just slightly larger than your standard carabiners. You can see Illest script right there. Got it in the teal, Aqua, whatever you want to call it. Has a little right there. This part here glows in the dark. So the website says they're in Illest and gray, and then has the 5 little key hangs where you can put your keys, keychains, whatever you need to. So I mean, this is legit. It seems really sturdy, and it's gonna hold up. And then from Karmaloop, I got the air gun keychain from Crooks Castles. Let's take this out. There you go. Let me put the phone down. There we go. There's that. Trust me, if you guys have Tumblr, I know you've seen this before on the sweaters and all that they have. Yeah, it's made by Crooks Castles. You can see that there. Let me turn this. See the Crooks Castles detail there. It's a little scratched. I'm a little pissed about that, but no big deal. A little thick. And then on the other side, there. So I'm going to put that with that. And then we're good to go. Put my car keys on it. And my house key. And we're set. Alright, take it easy, guys.